the best blueberry muffin recipe with a gorgeous lemon drizzle which really does elevate it. And yes, this one, Max, decided to whine all the way through making it. And yes, he really did enjoy it. Anyway, what you're going to need is 6 muffin cases in a tin and preheat your oven to 160 degrees centigrade fan. Then to a mixer, you want to add 100 grams of caster sugar and 100 grams of soft room temperature butter. Whip it up for around about 5 minutes until it's soft. Then you want 2 eggs and you want to add 1 egg at a time. Just mix it in and then add the other. Then you want to zest a whole lemon, and you'll see here I'm using a fantastic lemon zester. I will put the details of it in the bio and just pop that in. Then you're going to juice the same lemon, as you can see here. You won't use all the lemon for a start, you just want to add 1 tablespoon. You're going to save the rest for later. Mix this up and then you're going to gradually add in 150 grams of self-raising flour. Please make sure your self-raising flour is in date. Now you do not want to overmix this. You'll see here I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of milk and I'm folding it in. If you overmix this mixture, it will go hard. My tip is to add a little bit of the mixture into the bottom and then add the blueberries. By doing this, what happens is it stops the blueberries totally sinking to the bottom. There's been all sorts of tips over the year, rolling them in flour and whatnot. It doesn't work for me. So then you'll see that I'm topping off the mixture again and just adding the blueberries. Don't be too precious about it because those blueberries will sink into the risen muffin mixture. Then you want to cook it in the oven for around about 30 minutes. Then take them out the oven to check that they're cooked. You'll see here I've got a cake product. Again, I'll pop that into the bio. And then you want to cool them on a wire rack to make sure they're properly cooled before you do the icing. It's 100 grams of icing sugar and 2 tablespoons of that lemon juice. Just mix it all round and you'll see it will go really nice and drizzly. Drizzle over the top. Be as generous as you like. I do like the kick of the lemon with the blueberry. It makes them less bland. These are absolutely delicious. A real nice spring-like flavour. And yet, don't take my hands off, Max. Anyway, if you want the written recipe, you know where to go. My website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.